For me, one of the most fascinating things about looking at old photographs of street scenes and buildings is looking at the background matter, the detail, and the people caught in the background. In this case, some people were in the photograph just by accident. Some of the housing stock in Sittingbourne had got into a poor condition by the 1960s, and the council had grand plans to demolish some older housing and create a traffic flow system through the town. The streets marked for demolition were Fountain Street, Spring Street, Dover Street, Pembury Street and Cockleshell Walk. A series of photographs was taken showing the condition of each property, both at the front and the back of each house. Here are 3 of those images where in each one the photographer accidentally caught one of the residents in his lens. This is the rear of number 56 Pembury Street, and there is a small back garden. It looks as though the residents here have a small vegetable plot fenced off to keep the children and dogs off, perhaps. At the back of the house are a couple of coal bunkers with some bits and pieces laying on top of them. Then there is the little girl standing in the back door, looking at the photographer across the concrete yard. Her tricycle and ball are standing in the yard. I note the empty washing line stretching down the path high above the doorway, and also that there is a telephone connection up near the gutter of the house. Modern times indeed. 2 doors along now at number 60, closer to the railway line, and on no doubt the same day. And another little girl is in her garden. She has her dolly's pram under the window. Again, I see that the lawn is fenced off. There are various washing lines running from the house down to what must be a pole at the bottom of the garden. I wish the reflection in the window glass was clearer. We might have been able to see the photographer. And I've saved the best for last. Across the road, at the rear of number 23, this young lady continues with her knitting despite the presence of the photographer. These houses have a wash house extension at the back and no doubt a convenience a little closer to the house.